guys, welcome back to another video. It is Mia
and Maddie.
So today we're gonna be making some Karina Garcia slime. Like, I call it Karina Garcia slime because I'm going to be giving it to Karina Garcia, all the slime that we are making. So first, I've never made glitter glue slime. Everyone says it's really thick. So I'm going to be making this blue slime. And then we both are going to be making clear slime. And then we got some glitter with it and also some contact lens solution. And some food coloring if you need it. But first we're going to be doing the clear slime. And also we might be using some white glue. But first we're actually going to do the white glue. So let's get to it. Did I just cut my finger again?
I'll do it. You know what?
I did again. I did again. I did it again. Same finger. It's the same cut, same finger. So guys, I just cut my finger in the same exact spot. It healed up and now it just opened again.
Oh, that looks so nice for you.
So.
Okay, so I guess I'm gonna pour it.
I
hate blood. Come on.
And we don't have the scent with us today, but I'm going to be adding cherry scent to this clear slime because I really want it to be like cherry scent because Karina Garcia, she's my idol. And she's my favorite YouTuber and she likes the scent of cherry. So we'll be back.
Okay, guys,
so
now
guys,
we're gonna add our shaving cream.
No, but apparently we actually... Ew, what is my nail? Okay, so apparently we actually got both barely any glue because my gallon decided to run out on me. It looks like there's so much in here, but there's actually none. So we have this big bottle of lotion because we
hiding it from her.
We actually ran out of it. We actually ran out of it once. And
dang, this thing is heavy. I thought it was almost out.
No, it smells like almonds.
Exactly. But it's called Softens, wait, no, it's called with cocoa butter and chia.
No, it's called Softens. Oh.
No, it's not, Mia.
I don't know. But so now we actually have shaving comb. But you notice that we have some oh, my finger's bleeding. So we actually have popsicle sticks now because I bought them today while I was getting the glue. But now I have some shaving foam and this is a big bottle. So yeah. Let's just add this in. I don't know if this is a gel or not. Oh, it is a gel.
It's hard to push out. Stop.
It is. It's weird. Alrighty, so this is so satisfying to look at.
It smells so good.
Oh, the almond from that and this smells so good.
And the glue? Ah, sweet.
The good thing about the the bad thing about the shaving cream is that it doesn't really foam it up. It just leaves it plain. It doesn't really make it fluffy like fluffy slime.
And now we're going to add our color.
And yeah, now we're going to add our color, which is some paint or some food coloring. We're actually going to use purple food coloring.
No, I'm going to use orange.
It's actually pink, but you might need to wash them off since you might have some pink on them. Yeah, they leaked. So.
I can tell. It's all over my hands.
Girls,
Yes?
we're about to leave.
So guys, I actually added my food coloring, which is just purple food coloring.
Yeah.
And now we're just gonna mix that right in. Whoa, this color looks so good. It's a really dark color. My dad is right here staring at me. Say, YOLO.
YOLO.
What? So we're actually just going to add our food coloring right now. At the end, we're going to do the best ASMR you've ever seen. So stay tuned.
Yeah, no.
Because we're going to add the glitter. Want like me to zoom in? Guys, we got it all mixed in. This is what mine looks like. It's like a dark purple, but I'm going to add a little bit more.
Mine is a light purple. I mean, what?
Okay, yours is pink. So yeah, now we're gonna add our activator. So now we're gonna add our borax. We're gonna use borax because this is white glue, and for white glue we use borax instead of contact lens solution, so we don't waste it. Because like contact lens solution is for clear glue, but yeah. So now let's add our borax.
That is not borax.
This is the borax. It's just in a glue container. Borax. It comes out really fast though. I actually don't think we'll need that much since you know, it's not a lot of glue. My finger. Comment down below if you have any cuts, because I have this cut. And then comment down below if you have so many bruises, because I have so many bruises.
So much bruises.
And they just like pop up sometimes, like just randomly. But now it's forming and forming. So it's forming.
So it's forming.
So it's forming. So it's forming. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm just kidding. So guys, mine is actually not sticking to the edges as much. You can see, we'll show you very closely. Not that much. So,
and mine is not even.
Whoa. I think you added way more than me, that's why. But this is a really strong board. Actually, not a strong board. It's like a less strong activated borax because it was really hard to put it in the container. In the container. So, so that's why it's taking forever to activate the slime. But mine is actually not that sticky anymore. I don't think so. It's not really connecting to the. Oh my! It actually is kind of sticky. But it's stretchy. Did we even add? Oh my gosh! I almost said did we even add little? Let's replay that. Look, I sprayed it everywhere. Can you give me a next one, please?
Why is mine so sticky?
None with my container. Can you grab me the bar? I mean.
And we are going to do subscriber shout-outs?
Yes. The subscriber shout-out goes to, drumroll please. Goes to, drumroll please. Adeline Miller! So thank you so much for turning on the post notifications and subscribing and also liking my videos. You have been very, very supportive, even though you go to my school. So shout out to her. Go follow her on.
And comment down below who do you think is better at making slime.
Well, we'll do that after we're actually done. The bad part about this purple is I think I added too much, so it's dying in my hand.
Oh shoot!
Oh my! No! We'll be back after this is cleaned up. Help! So we're stirring, and we're stirring.
And it's forming.
And it's forming. Actually, it's not really forming.
Really sticky.
Dump. So comment down below what your favorite TV show is. I know that's kind of just random, but like, we're random. So comment down below if you like how I zoomed in to
how I play with slime.
To Madison. Comment down below if you liked how I zoomed into Madison's face a lot with slime.
I make a lot of faces on slime videos.
Yeah, that's why I zoomed
slime.
I have this new editing program. That's why I
like slime. I like slime. I like slime. Why is it so sticky? Sticky!
It's so sticky.
Shoot, Bob. Shoot.
It's actually so sticky.
Shoot. Shoot.
So I think we're gonna add some more borax to our solution. So we'll be. I don't know about you, but I need some borax too.
Everything won't be alright if you activate it.
So I found out how to make a solution. So can you hold this, please? Just, no, hold that part.
So I'm gonna add the borax. Add the borax. Add the
Is there sticky?
No. I'm actually good at making slime.
Is it in the bottle?
Yes.
Oh, well.
That was a lot.
That is too much. I added like, oh no. No, I just put my fingers in there. Oh, yours isn't actually not that sticky. So which one?
That was a lot for me.
All you have to do is just screw on the lid and check. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Put your finger on this. It's gonna come undone. And I am just saying, don't put that much in there. Once you put one tiny drop, it's gonna activate the whole thing. Okay, that's good. So now we're gonna put it in. It looks like mine doesn't even stick, but it's so sticky actually. Why did you just shut that? See, now it's done. See, mine's already done. Like, I didn't even add that much. Oh, mine is not done. What?
I'm done.
Yours done? Okay, we'll be back after
Is your
all
slime
done.
so
After I added the borax, it got a little bit stiff because I over boraxed it in there, but
borax?
but it's okay, even though my color is so bad. But it's actually still really stretchy. So I think I'll add some more lotion and then we'll move on to the next slime.
Yes, we will. Let's get to it.
Take
3, 2, 1, bat.
So guys, we're mixing this. Wait! Comment down below. Pause this video right now. Comment down below what color do you think it's going to change it to.
Purple.
I think it's going to be like a light pink purple.
Won't let me poke it. Stop!
Oh my gosh.
My-
Oh, it's not stretchy anymore. So if you commented pink, you were wrong. If you commented dark purple, you were wrong. If you commented light purple, you are correct. So like this video if you got it correct, and I will shout you out in my next video. Comment when done when you're done, and then I'll comment, and then I'll shout you out.
And look at this slime. It is so good. It's made out of a napkin. I'm
What? I just added it.
Exactly. I'm a loser. It's made out of a napkin.
Stop! Did you just add it in there again? So guys, we're gonna clean this up, even though this is actually really kind of sticky now. But now we're just cleaning this up, and then we'll go on to the clear slime.
Okay guys, we finally got our clear glue. And now we're just emptying out our containers because they have all slime in it.
I'm not gonna empty mine out because mine's clean.
And then I need it.
There you go. And
No.
I'm making this for Karina Garcia. Okay guys, so she's going to use the rest of that, and we're actually not going to be using this borax because look at it, it is all white now, and you can actually see from our contact solution, so, but I'm actually going to just hold it. I'm going to stir it so I can get some air bubbles in there because it's good to have a lot of air bubbles, so it actually, did you know, like I actually learned this the other day, that if you put more air bubbles in it than it already has, then it will turn clear faster. Way to go. You should have saw that. It just squirt the entire place. Oh, this is not working very well. I would be careful. You're gonna have a... Oh, we should have got a big...
What?
So I actually have so much clear glue in here that I'm going to need like maybe the rest of the bottle of that. Oh, actually never mind. It's already activated. But
No, it's actually an envelope.
you know what, guys? We're gonna try to use borax. Oh, now it works. Okay, now it's working.
Okay, guys, so
First,
we
let me show
activated it, and this doesn't do it.
Mine is actually like sticky, but like not as sticky as I thought it would be. It's just not that stretchy right now because when it's clear, it will be a lot more stretchier than this. But I'm scared to add lotion because you know it won't turn clear. Oh, look at this color. So we're actually not gonna do ASMR with this and add the glitter yet because we're gonna do it when it turns clear. So it can actually like look cooler because there's no use of adding glitter in it when it's not clear. But I actually think I like did really good on this slime. Can I feel yours? Yours feels so good. I don't know why mine looks like ice or something like that. Comment down below what you think I did wrong on this slime. I mean, it's really pretty color. It's like a really, really light purple.
It isn't stretchy at all.
Yours is kind of, but not mine. Add some lotion. So, yeah, I wish they invented clear lotion. Like, clear lotion.
I'm just gonna add a little to my hands and rub it together.
Yeah, mine is actually cookie though. Listen.
What's in mine?
Dude, what is in this? I don't know if I overactivated it. I don't think so though. It's just, actually, it's kind of stretchy. Look at it. Oh. Never mind. I'm scared to add lotion because it won't turn clear. Like even like the tiny. Okay guys, so it's getting better. It's just like it turned out not to be that like crystally weird thing, but it still isn't that stretchy. Like it will stretch. It's just now I'm gonna let Madison do some stuff to mine because look at hers. Watch. It's stretchy. Click it.
And slappy.
It's actually getting stretchy.
Hang on.
Okay, guys. So we got our containers. We're just gonna roll it. Gosh, it's so good. Actually, it's insane. But we're gonna put it in an airtight container. Just roll it in a ball.
I have to dry out mine.
Airtight container.
Put it
Mine is
into
gonna
the-
take longer because it's more huge and bigger than hers. So
So I'm just gonna put that in there. Close this.
close this.
And leave this for about 2 weeks.
It's about to be probably 2 weeks or like a week or so.
And then
Okay, guys. So yeah, we're gonna clean this up. So guys, Madison left because she's not going to be doing this slime, but I'm going to be doing the new to me, not new. Ooh, this is a kind of a struggle to get out. I'm going to start with this much because I don't want to ruin it because this is literally a $5 bottle. $5 for this. It's not even that much actually. How many ounces is this? Oh, it dries clear. Oh, 6. It's a 6 ounce. So this is 6 ounces. And wow, I was just surprised. Wow. Oh, whoa, this is thick. Really thick. So I'm going to be doing contact lens solution. I really hope it works. Let's start with a little bit. Ooh. Very, very strong activator. I learned my lesson when putting a lot from the clear glue, so I'm going to put like 2 drops of that. So yeah, mix it up. And by the way, this is blue if you can't even already tell. And since this is like clear glitter glue, if that makes sense, I'm actually going to be letting it set for a few days, and then I might add some more glitter to it. Whoa, guys.
We're actually going to be kneading this together because I think it's almost ready. Actually, no, it's not ready. Oh, so I'm now just kneading it. So I guess clear glue and this kind of glue does make those crystal things. Comment below if you've ever made those clear slime or this slime. And it has like crystal things. They're not crystal things, but like looks like that. I think that's happened to me a few times making clear glue slime. So I don't know. It will be back when this is done. And actually this is pretty stretchy now. So guys, I actually finished it. I don't think I'm going to add any lotion to this one. I'm going to add to, but I only used this much of it and it made it this much. So actually I think it like doubled up the amount or something. So I'm not going to use all of this right now, but I'm just going to add, oh my gosh. This is a struggle to get out actually. So I'm just going to do little by little to see if it turns out good. So let's do this in some time-lapse. So guys, this is done. It is stretchier than the clear slime. So it's a good thing, even though my cut hurts. Even though it still rips, it is still better than the clear slime. But that's okay because I added 1 pump of lotion. That's why it's a little bit stretchy. But I think, like I've seen videos that they were not stretchy at all, but some of them were so stretchy. I don't get how you get it stretchy. Please tell me in the comments below what I'm doing wrong. I will totally shout out you. Yeah, now I'm just going to roll this back in a ball like it was. And since it's like white, like not white, like it looks like this. So I'm going to let it sit in an airtight container. Let it sit for a few days. Maybe not as long as the other one, but at least long. So, yeah. I'm just going to end this video here because I'm really done. And comment down below if you're going to the Karina Garcia tour because I'll see you there. And I also have VIP tickets. So excited. But I'm so excited to see Karina Garcia. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! So I'm here about to edit my video, and I totally forgot to say that I will be doing a second part to this video. Of like how it turned out when it's clear, and I'll be adding the glitter obviously because who doesn't like glitter? So yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe again, and I'll see you in my next video. Again, don't forget to watch part 2 when it is done in a couple of days. So yeah.